Welcome, everyone. Today's mouth-watering easiest high-protein peri-peri chicken and spicy rice, only 452 calories. And spicy dish that will tantalize your taste. That's the peri-peri chicken meal with golden rice. So, let's dive right into the action and enjoy this scrumptious meal together. This spicy Nigerian dish is made from marinated, notably peri-peri. The heat from the pepper not only adds a wonderful depth of flavor, but also packs a punch for those who enjoy a little kick. It's perfect for parties, family dinners, or even just a tasty snack. Now let's move on to the golden rice. This delightful side dish is not only a great accompaniment to the spicy chicken, but also offers a satisfying and healthy alternative to your traditional white rice. The golden color and texture of the rice is delightful. This vibrant combination of flavors and textures perfectly complements the spicy and rich peri-peri chicken and golden rice. So, sit back, relax, and let your taste buds be transported to Nigeria with this heavenly high-protein peri-peri chicken meal with golden rice. Enjoy every bite and savor the flavors of this incredible dish that will leave you craving more. Happy eating!
Welcome everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy meal, only 550 calories, that's perfect for those who want to maintain a balanced diet while still enjoying a mouth-watering taste. Our star dish is a high-protein garlic steak bites, along with a delicious Cajun mac and cheese. That's only about 550 calories. First, let's talk about the protein. We started with high-quality steak, which is packed with essential amino acids to support muscle growth and repair. To give it a boost of flavor, we marinated it with a blend of garlic, paprika, and other spices. Then, we seared it to get a crispy, golden exterior and tender, juicy inside. For the side dish, we have a creamy Cajun mac and cheese. The recipe is packed with flavor from a blend of spices. This creamy, cheesy dish is the perfect accompaniment to our juicy steak bites. To bring this meal together, we combined the steak bites with a serving of mac and cheese, which was cooked until the macaroni was tender and the cheese was bubbling. We topped it all off with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a drizzle of Cajun spice to add a kick of flavor, making it a great option for those watching their calorie intake. This meal is not only packed with protein and flavor, but it's also only about 550 calories. The high-protein garlic steak bites and the creamy Cajun mac and cheese are delicious. Combination that's sure to satisfy your cravings while keeping you on track with your healthy eating goals. And enjoy a delicious balanced meal that's sure to impress. Give this recipe a try.
Welcome to today's discussion on the delicious world of tandoori chicken. This mouth-watering dish has been enjoyed by millions for centuries and has numerous benefits to its credit. Let's dive into the history of this culinary masterpiece and explore the health benefits it offers. Tandoori, an Indian word, means roasted in a tandoor, and this dish has its roots in the North African region. Over time, it has evolved into a popular culinary style in India, Pakistan, and the Middle East. The beauty of tandoori lies in its simplicity. Marinated chicken pieces in a hot, smoky oven. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of tandoori chicken. First and foremost, this dish is incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize your protein with a variety of spices, marinades, and vegetables. Tandoori chicken is low in calories and saturated fat, making it an excellent choice for those watching their fat intake. Additionally, it is packed with essential nutrients like protein, B vitamins, and iron. Another advantage of tandoori chicken is its high levels of antioxidants. The spices and marinades used in this dish help to fight inflammation and protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Furthermore, tandoori chicken is a great source of vitamin B6, which is essential for converting food into energy and promoting a healthy immune system. In conclusion, tandoori chicken is not just a delicious treat, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Its versatility and low-fat content make it an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So, the next time you're craving a taste of the East, consider incorporating tandoori chicken into your meal. Plan for a delicious and nutritious treat. Enjoy!
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to be preparing a delicious and healthy meal prep using our favorite salmon fish fillet. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and brain. It's also packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a fantastic addition to any meal prep. To begin, let's talk about how to marinate the salmon. One of the best ways to enhance the flavor and texture of your fish is by marinating it in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and your choice of herbs and spices. In this recipe, we're going to use fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper, and a dash of olive oil. The spices will add a burst of flavor to the salmon, while the olive oil helps to seal in the moisture and keep the fish moist. Now that our salmon has been marinated, it's time to steam it. To do this, you'll need a steamer basket or a large pot with a lid. Fill the basket or pot with a combination of fresh vegetables such as carrots, broccoli. These vegetables not only add flavor and texture to the dish, but they're also rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining a healthy body. Once your vegetables are prepared, place the salmon fillets in the pan, ensure that the salmon doesn't overcook. Steam the salmon until the fish is cooked through, and the vegetables are tender. Once the salmon and vegetables are cooked, remove the steamer basket or pot from the heat, and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy meal prep of salmon, fish fillet served with a side of steamed vegetables. This dish is perfect for those who want to incorporate more fish into their diet, or for anyone looking to try a new and exciting recipe. With just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time, you can prepare a meal that's both delicious and packed with nutritious ingredients. So go ahead and give this salmon fish fillet with steamed vegetables a try. Your taste buds will thank you. Welcome to today's healthy and delicious meal plan, where we'll be featuring a mouth-watering salmon dish, paired with a delightful selection of steamed vegetables. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have our salmon. This lean protein is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and brain. To prepare our salmon, we'll start by seasoning it with salt, pepper, and a touch of lemon juice. Then, we'll gently cook it in a hot skillet, making sure to move it around occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once it's cooked to your desired level of doneness, we'll transfer it to a serving platter and let it cool slightly before serving. Now, let's move on to our steamed vegetables. For this dish, we'll be using a mix of potato, tomatoes, and broccoli. These vibrant vegetables are not only nutrient-dense but also easy to cook in the microwave or on the stovetop. To prepare our vegetables, we'll simply steam them in a large pot for a few minutes until they're tender and crisp tender. And there you have it, a scrumptious and nutritious salmon and steamed vegetable meal plan. That's perfect for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Enjoy your meal.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Cooking with Pepper. Today, we're making a delicious and spicy chicken cayenne pepper. This recipe is perfect for those who love spicy food, and it's super easy to make. First, let's go over what you'll need. Chicken with skin, 1 tablespoon of flour, cayenne pepper to taste, bell peppers red and green, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, onions chopped. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the recipe. Step 1 first, we'll need to mix all the spices and vegetables. Add the onion, garlic, and bell peppers. And oil and allspice to a bowl and mix them together as. Step 10x. Add the spices and vegetables to a food processor or blender and grind them into a paste. Once they're fine, remove them from the machine and set them aside. Step 3 now. Let's marinate the chicken. Add the chicken to a bowl. Pour the marinade over it and mix it well. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Step 4 after marinating. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken on a baking sheet and bake it in the oven for 25 minutes each side. Step 5 lastly, it's time to serve. Slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces and enjoy it with some rice or crusty bread. And that's it. Your chicken cayenne pepper is ready to eat. Remember, the more cayenne pepper you use, the spicier it will be.